my channel. Labdien, Добро пожаловать. I'm so happy to see you here. Life is amazing, flowers smell great, and I hope you can enjoy this video. Today I wanted to show you how to make gluten-free lemon sponge cake. You can use this recipe for any type of things that you will do in the future, whether you want to make a cake or mini cakes, or you want to make layered cakes and so forth. And I'm also gonna release the next video on how to make this delicious Russian cheesecake strawberry jello cake, where I'll be using this gluten-free sponge. So make sure to check that out next week as well. Otherwise, let's get started. In a bowl, add room temperature eggs together with sugar and a pinch of salt. We're going to whisk the mixture for about 5 minutes or more, until the eggs become light and fluffy in color, and you will see that this process will take some time. I do recommend using an electric whisker because you're going to do this very long time if you're going to whisk this by hand. You then want to add your grated lemon or lime zest and 1 tablespoon of lemon or lime juice. It's completely up to you. Because I'm making this a lemon sponge, I'm using the lemon, but whatever you have in your kitchen will do. Mix everything well, and then lastly add your sifted gluten-free flour and gently fold everything in. I like to do this in stages, so add half first, mix it through, and then add the other half of your flour. You don't want to overmix the mixture, as we want to keep as many air bubbles as possible. This is the whole secret to the recipe. It's going to be very, very nice and fluffy sponge. That's why you shouldn't mix it for too long. You're going to bake the gluten-free lemon sponge in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius or 330 Fahrenheit. Once it's cooked, it's gonna look like this. It smells amazing. It's very, very delicious. You want to cool it down on a cooling rack and then gently take it out using a knife from the ring, and just leave it to cool down for a little bit longer. But the sponge becomes super, super delicious, very, very moist, very spongy, and super airy, and just perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video, and in my next video I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious gluten-free Russian cheesecake strawberry cake. So make sure to tune in.